Guys, Card here and welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. And today, we're here to have a mod review. And I'm playing on Windows 10 Edition Beta because of nothing. I just want to play in that. And by the way, I will leave our server link below. IP and port, so you can join us in Extreme Craft. Okay, let's do this. To the mod review. Okay, are you alone in the overworld? So let me just throw these things up so you can not tell me that I'm cheating on this mod review. Okay, are you alone in this world? No. Let's take a journey with your wife. First, you need to do this /wife. And oh sorry guys, I have horse mod, but I will feature it to you later. Oh, this is a horse, guys, a horse. Sorry, boy. Boom. Okay. You feeling alone in your overworld, right? Now, do this /Mary, and you will have your grandma and grandpa and your wife. Oh my God, my beautiful wife. Wait a minute, guys. I will just clear these things up. Okay, I'm done clearing these things up. So, approach your wife and hit him with this heart, and you will have a son or daughter. And if you gave this ring to him, to her, you will get another heart, or which we call love. And if you punch him with this, you will get another kid. How awesome is that? And he walks like you, so but she don't do much. But if you're feeling alone, then this is the mod for you. But guys, let me remind you something. Your wife is not is have I don't know if she have infinite heart, because last night I tried to punch her and punch her and punch her, but she didn't die. But let me do this. Oh my God, I didn't do it. I didn't do it, Grandpa. I didn't do it. Do it. Let's sneak. Shh. Don't do this to me. Okay? You. Why do I always get these things? Sorry, guys. Why did I do that? I need. Okay, just remind me to not to. I don't know the word. Sorry, guys. So, is it our new wife? Let's get. Let's give this ring to her. Let's have two kids. Oh my God, your daughter is cool. Let's take a selfie. I know your father is a robot. Oh yeah. Okay. I will come back to another mod review after I upload this. And hope you guys enjoy this little mod review. And I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.